welcome back to another episode of the Mukbang Eating Show. Today we're having a chili shrimp bowl from Yoshinoya. Yummy! Look at that. So I did ask for extra glaze and I did not get that. So let's just see why I cannot get extra glaze. Maybe it's a little bit too spicy because you can see that that's where the spice is coming from. So this one looks like it has a lot of glaze. So let's dig in, shall we? Delicious. It is spicy but not too spicy. So you definitely want to have some sauce on the side because it's dry. They're pretty dry. Oh, here's a little sauce. But they are so good, nevertheless. Yummy. The bread is really soft. It is spicy. All the spice is on that glaze. It's really good. I wish I could have got more of that. So good. I definitely would enjoy that extra glaze here. It's so delicious. And it is spicy. So good. The bread just melts in your mouth. Not so spicy, not so glazy. We can definitely taste the bread in every bite. Pretty good. That spicy glaze had a delicious flavor to it. That I am definitely missing. It's so good. I don't know what happened. I asked for extra glaze. I didn't get it. Hopefully next time I do get that extra glaze, because that extra glaze is so spicy and delicious. I would have enjoyed it with my rice. That's it for today, food freaks. Till next time we eat again. Bye bye, food freaks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.